It's your Storm Team forecast.
All right, starting off with the radar, you can see that system down to our south. This system will be passing us by, as this will be the first of two systems, but at this time it does appear that it will be mainly a southern system for us today, Dale. Looking at those overcast skies for much of the day for Fort Wayne, temperatures reaching the mid-30s. This afternoon for Lafayette, temperatures reaching the upper 30s. Looking at a fairly cloudy day with that northeast wind in place, looking pretty good. Nonetheless, for tomorrow, though, not so good. Looking at that freezing rain, some sleet kicking in to Fort Wayne right around the noon hour, and that'll continue for about the rest of the day as temperatures do warm up into the upper 20s. Looking at the Lafayette, temperatures warming up to near 30 degrees with some freezing rain for the first half of your day before we see that change over to some moderate to heavy snow during the latter part of the day as that as that colder air comes right back in here, and with that will keep that precipitation as snow as a result. But looking ahead to this morning with radar, just a straight chance of a snow shower today with maybe a couple breaks for some sun at times during your afternoon and into your evening hours. But then we do watch overnight into Wednesday. You can see already a couple flurries developing out to our west, but this will amount to literally nothing, as we do expect just some minor accumulations, mainly the further northwest you do go. But by Wednesday morning, you can see some light snow beginning to intensify a little bit for western counties. So watch what happens as we head towards 1 o'clock. It becomes more widespread, but notice down to our south from Lafayette up to Fort Wayne, that is freezing rain. And as you can see, it's developing just down to our south, and now continue about throughout the afternoon, 4 o'clock, some widespread freezing rain now for Fort Wayne, all the way down to our southern counties, while the west part of our state deals with that heavier snowfall as that system does pump in some cold air. But by 7 o'clock, still some heavier snowfall for just about everyone north of Lafayette and Fort Wayne, but still some freezing rain down to our southeast. And even as we head towards 10 o'clock, that remains in place as that line does not move very much. So unfortunately, as a result, any areas just south of this snow line could very much pick up quite a bit of freezing rain, while areas just around that's freezing line, let's say north of, let's say Fort Wayne, could pick up some heavier snowfall amounts by Thursday morning. And speaking of snow, we could see anywhere from about almost no snow down to our southeast, where the ice will be quite prevalent, to around 5 inches of snow, but with the ice accumulation probably down to almost 2/10 of an inch if we get closer to Portland. So looking at quite a bit of ice and also, again, quite a bit of snow. But after that, watching some more snow for Saturday for Fort Wayne, and also some freezing rain, some snow for Lafayette on Saturday too.